figure out how to use this Office Word. I don't know how to create a new document.
Don't worry. I can help you. What do you want to do?
I need to create a report for my class, but I am confused about the format.
Alright. First, open Office Word. Windows.
Yes, Windows.
Windows. Where? Oh. Uh, the, the, no. Office Word. Okay. Then
Okay.
click on the new document icon at the top. Yeah.
Okay. It open now, but how do I add the header?
You can go to insert.
Yes,
You're
insert.
gonna insert menu and select header.
Select header.
There you can adjust the header format you like.
Okay. Yes. Oh, I get it. And how do I adjust the font and the style of text size?
Uh, First, you can select the text you want to change. Yeah.
Yes.
Great. This then you want to change. Then go to the home. Then go to home tab.
Home tab.
Yeah. There you will find option to change the font and size.
Um, how do I change the font style?
To change the font style,
Yes.
just click on the font drop-down menu in the home
Home.
and select the style you like. For example, you might choose the Times New Roman time and New
Times
Roman.
New Roman.
Alright.
Okay. Wow. But also want to add an image. How do I do that?
The first, go to the insert.
Yes.
Yeah, go to the insert.
Insert.
Yeah, and select a picture. Just the image you want to insert.
Picture.
Yes, and select the picture.
Yes.
Just the image you want to insert from your computer. Yeah, for example, you can navigation to C or D, find the folder where your image are stored, and then select the image you want to insert. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much. One last thing. How do I save this document?
Uh, you can go to the file. You can go
File.
for the file and select save as.
Save as.
Yeah, save as. Just the location where you want to save it.
Save it.
Like a folder name laporan.
Laporan.
LAPORAN. For
Okay.
example,
Enter.
you can save it the document folder. Name your document and click save.
Save.
Alright.
Save.
Yeah.
I really appreciate your help. Now I feel more confident to finish this assessment. Oh, I just remember. How do I set the paragraph spacing to 1 to 5 line?
No problem. First, select the paragraph you want to change.
Yeah.
Then go to the home.
4
Then go to the home.
or 4.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, I select the paragraph. What next?
Look for the paragraph. Click on the line and paragraph spacing button. Line and spacing button.
Spacing the time.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, I see it. What do I select now?
For the drop down menu, just the 1.0. I'm sorry, 1.5. This will change the spacing for the select paragraph. 1.5.
1.5.
1.5. Alright.
1.6. Okay. I really appreciate your help. I did it. Now my report looks so much better.
You're welcome. Good luck with your assessment.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Hello everyone, good morning. How are you today? Hopefully you are always well. On this occasion, I will explain a material on present perfect tense. Well, let's start. Present perfect tense. Here is table of contents. The first is profile. The second is definition of present perfect tense. The third is present perfect tense formula and sentence patterns. The fourth is present perfect tense in passive form. And the last in function, use an example of present perfect tense sentences. Next, first, profile. My name is Anugrah Hermansyah. Name 192407554. Class 19 1B 15. Next, definition of present perfect tense. What is present perfect tense? The present perfect tense is a sentence pattern with a change in verb form that is used to state or express a past action or event that is still continuing until now. Present perfect tense formula and sentence patterns. Verbal sentence. Present perfect tense. In verbal sentence, after the subject will be followed by a verb. Will. We will use the past participle or third, fourth, three for present perfect tense. In addition, present perfect tense is also formed with the auxiliary verb have or has. You need to understand this. Has is used to singular subject or the third person pronoun such as she, he, it, and singular nouns such as naming people, for example Fahri, Sasa. Have is used for subject I, you, and other plural subjects such as plural pronouns with they, plural nouns girls, woman, and compound subject with the conjunction and dalam kurung you and I, Cinta and Rangga. The past participle used can be a irregular or regular verb. Here is the present perfect tense formula for positive, negative, and integrative sentence with example. First, positive sentence patterns present perfect tense. Subject plus have atau has plus past participle verb 3. Example sentences. She has worked in the hospital for 6 years. Artinya, dia sudah bekerja di rumah sakit selama 6 tahun. Second, I have fixed my computer. Artinya, aku sudah membetulkan komputermu. Second, present perfect tense negative sentence patterns. Formulanya subject plus punya have atau punya atau milik have plus not plus past participle verb 3. Example sentence. He don't work at the hospital. Artinya dia tidak bekerja di rumah sakit lagi. Example 2. I haven't fixed my computer yet. Artinya, saya belum memperbaiki komputer saya. Third, present perfect tense integrative sentence patterns. Formula have atau has plus subject plus past participle. Verb 3, tanda tanya. Example sentence: Has he worked in the hospital for 6 years? Apakah dia bekerja di rumah sakit selama 6 tahun? Pertanyaan. Example 2. Have you fixed my computer? Apakah dia telah memperbaiki komputer saya? Okay, next. Present perfect tense is passive form. Present perfect tense in passive form. We like other tenses in present perfect tense. We can also change it to passive form. So, if the activity from is the subject who is doing the action in passive form, we focus on what or who is receiving the action. Example of passive form in simple present tense. Active form: my brother eat this cake. Passive form: this cake is eaten by my brother. Example of passive form in the simple past tense. Active form: my brother ate this cake last night. Passive form: this cake was eaten by my brother last night. In the passive form of present perfect tense, we use has or have been plus verb 3. Example: active form: my brother has written the proposal. Passive form: the proposal have been written by my brother. Next, function use an example of present perfect tense sentence. First, expressing an event that has occurred or has been done then during the conversation. 3 is a result that is verb. Example sentence: I have swept the floor. Saya telah menyapu lantai. The action taken in the example sentence in the floor that has been swept will the effect fell from the action of sweeping is the floor then has become clean. I have paid for your mobile data. Artinya, saya telah membayar paket data Anda. This means that the effect fell from paying for the data packaging is the smartphone being reconnected to the internet connection. Second, starting something that happened since a time in the past that is still related to the present. Artinya saat conversation berlangsung. Has the name implies namely the present perfect tense. You can state an activity that has started a long time ago but is still continuing until now, sekarang. Example sentence: she has lived her since 2000. Dia telah tinggal di sini sejak tahun 2000. I have studied for 3 years. Saya telah belajar di sini selama 3 tahun. In the first example, the action of sweeping The floor was done a long time ago, and the present perfect tense sentence expresses that the floor is still clean. In the second example, the action of studying started in the past, but the sentence emphasizes that the student is currently continuing their study in the same place. Next, that's all the material about the present perfect tense. Precisely and apologize in the explaining the was material that well unclear or don't understand about this material. Thank you.